So Maris, what do you think about this type of training, what you're getting?
I think it's amazing. It's definitely helping me to connect theory with practice with the actual boiler. It's all good to know. Although there's primary circuit, there's water flow, there's separate circuits, but how they work on a booster boiler, it's very hard to imagine unless you really look inside the boiler. And well, Tony has helped me to really understand how it all works. It's amazing. I'd recommend this sort of practice to anyone. Definitely invaluable.
So how's that feel doing that then?
Yeah, it's good. You can actually put it back together. Yeah, it makes sense. And once you take it apart, put it back, it makes much more sense.
Right. So about the actual experience sensation of doing this?
Yeah, it's good. I like tinkering and things, so it's definitely something that I like doing, and learning this in a kind of an environment where there's no pressure, there's no customer looking over your shoulder, or a similar context. It builds confidence, and that's what I need at the moment. Build confidence in my technical skills.
Excellent, yeah. So guys who are looking to do bar repair training, this is a place to be. You need to be. Book on this course. You will see details how you can do this, but this is a fantastic way for you to learn fast, hands-on training. You can do it yourself under my instruction. We're stripping down a boiler, looking at the parts, putting it back together, understanding how things work and flow, so you can then go out there and be confident to do the job correctly.